classic you know and love has gotten a compact makeover. Oneida Air Systems introduces the all-new USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator, the newest installment into the world-famous Dust Deputy lineup. With its compact footprint and low-profile design, the Dust Deputy Low Pro provides ample dust collection in the tightest of spaces. Simply clip the Dust Deputy Low Pro to any easy-to-empty 5-gallon bucket attached to your shop vacuum and your tools with 2.5-inch hose, and go. With over 50% more airflow than competitor lid separators, the Dust Deputy Low Pro separates and contains up to 99% of fine dust and debris, keeping your shop vacuum and its filter clean. Use the Dust Deputy Low Pro to collect wood dust, drywall dust, concrete dust, silica dust, cooled ash and soot, metal shavings, pet hair, even water. Kick dust to the curb with the new Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection. Proudly made in the USA since 1993. For more information, visit oneida-air.com.